Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's your go-to crypto hustler here, diving deep into the XRP action that's got the whole market buzzing. If you're new, smash that subscribe button and hit the bell because we're about to unpack this XRP USDT chart from Binance like it's the blueprint to your next portfolio glow-up. We're talking real talk, no fluff. Just the raw energy of a coin that's been grinding through the trenches and showing signs of that classic XRP breakout magic. Picture this, November 2025, XRP's hovering around $2.21, up a cheeky 0.32% in the last 24 hours, with volume exploding to 244 million XRP traded. That's over $500 million sloshing around. This isn't some sleepy altcoin nap. It's the prelude to fireworks. Folks, let's zoom in on what this chart's screaming at us, step by step, and why it's got me hyped for what's next. First off, check out that main candlestick playground. Those green and red bars dancing from November 9th to the 17th. We're on a daily time frame here, and XRP's been carving out this tight consolidation zone between $2.10 and $2.30. Like a coiled spring ready to launch. See those bullish hammers popping up midweek. That's buyers stepping in hard at the $2.06 low, flipping the script on sellers who thought they had the upper hand. Volume spiking on those green days, 45 million units on the big uptick, telling us smart money's accumulating while the weak hands bail. It's classic XRP resilience, echoing those epic pumps we saw back in the Ripple win days. And hold up that price tag at $2.214. It's kissing the 24-hour high of $2.294, with a low dip to $2.064. Tight range means low risk for a high-reward squeeze if it cracks north. Now layer on those EMAs, the exponential moving averages that are like your crypto GPS. You've got the 7-period EMA at $2.1913, hugging the price like a supportive X. The 25 at $2.2365, acting as dynamic resistance. And the 50 at $2.282 just overhead, daring XRP to punch through. Boom! The 100 period at $2.3558 and 200 at $2.4245 are sloping gently up, forming this golden cradle that's held since early November. Price is dancing right above the 7 and 25, but flirting with a crossover above the 50. That's your bullish signal. Team, if it closes the day above $2.28, we're talking momentum shift, pulling in FOMO from the sidelines. Remember, EMAs don't lie, they're the trend's heartbeat. And right now, it's beating stronger than your morning coffee. Swing your eyes down to the RSI, that yellow squiggler at 55.65. Neutral territory, baby, but climbing from oversold depths last week. No wild overbought spikes here, just steady building pressure, like a pressure cooker on simmer. It's whispering room to run without the exhaustion crash. Pair that with the volume oscillator below, those blue bars pulsing higher on up days, averaging 35.5 million against a 10-period MA of 85.9 million. Yeah, it's choppy, but the divergence is real. Price holds steady while volume creeps up, screaming accumulation by whales who know something we don't. This ain't retail noise, it's institutional whispers. And don't sleep on the MACD at the bottom. That histogram's flipping from negative territory, with the DIF line at -0.0369, crossing the DEA at -0.0386, and the MACD line ticking positive at 0.0018. Bearish histogram bars shrinking. That's the death knell for sellers. The signal lines flattening, setting up for a histogram explosion green side. Add the Bollinger Band squeezing tight around $2.19 to $2.25. Low volatility means a volatility bomb's ticking. SARS dotted below price at $2.047, flipping bullish, and that AVL line's flatlining neutral. All signs point to compression before the expansion. XRP's not crashing, it's coiling for the kill. Zoom out and this chart's a story of defiance. From the $2.066 open on the 9th, it's clawed back against a choppy market, with that 24-hour volume in USD hitting $529 million. Traders are betting big. The finance label screams opportunity, and with XRP's real-world hooks in cross-border payments, this setup feels primed for a narrative flip. It's not screaming moonshot tomorrow, but it's got that gritty underdog vibe that turns $2 into $3 overnight when the dominoes fall. XRP price prediction. Where's this rocket headed next? All right, let's get to the meat. my no BS price outlook for XRP, tailored for you stateside traders riding the waves from New York to LA. Short term through Thanksgiving and into December. I'm eyeing a push to $2.30, $2.40 by November 24th if it clears that $2.28 EMA resistance. Low risk entry for a quick 5 to 8% flip. That's consolidation turning bullish, fueled by ETF buzz and whale buys. But watch the $2.15 support like a hawk. If it cracks, we could test $2 in a fear-driven dip, though I doubt it with volume holding firm. Bigger picture for end of 2025. Bullish as hell, I'm calling $4.50, $5.05 by Q4 close. Riding regulatory tailwinds and adoption spikes. Yeah, you heard that right, over double from here. If the Canary ETF greenlights and Ripple's partnerships stack up. Analysts are split, with some conservative at $2.43 year-end, and others gunning for $5 plus on breakout volume. Me, I'm in the optimist camp. XRP's utility crushes the hype coins, and with Bitcoin having echoes still rippling, this chart's your green light to stack sats, XRPs. What do you think, bull trap or breakout beast? Drop your takes in the comments, like if you're riding this wave, and I'll catch you in the next one. Trade smart, stay stacked.